tell me about a time when you showed leadership. This is another common question that is asked in interviews, and this is crucial because it may make or break your interview in cases that you are interviewing or applying for a leadership role, or where you're supposed to take up ownership of your role. So think about it carefully. It doesn't have to do always about your work experience. If you're a fresher, where have you taken up a leadership role? Has it ever been in a college fest, for example? Has it been in a cultural program somewhere? Has it been in organizing funds or raising funds for something? It can be a non-profit perspective as well. How have you worked with other people, led them, and how have you made the entire journey successful? This is something that they are looking for, the qualities that come up from your time of leadership, right? So I hope that you are prepared with this question. You can even talk about your time leading organizations like ASEC. You can talk about Toastmasters and the leadership roles you've taken up in the club, area, division, district for that. And you could also go up and talk about any other secretary roles that you've taken up in a lot of other organizations like Rotary or Lions Club, right? I hope this helps.